Derif President here, it's after church. I've spotted the entry point. I'm trading even. First run is a profit. Yeah, let me wait for the second run. Second run is a profit also. Remember, guys, I have a challenge of making 20 USD daily. Yeah, reach out for more information. My target today is 5 runs, and as you can see, my stake is 5.70. Third run is a profit also. Those are 3 runs, 3 clean runs. I'm remaining with 2 now. That the fourth one. Yes, the fourth one is a profit also, and this is the last one. Yes, those are 5 clean runs. I was trading even. And there are 5 clean runs. I can see there are 5 clean runs. As you can see, this is a real account. Real, and then demo, it has around 10 USD, 10,000 USD, right? Yeah. So remember, I'm using DerixTraders.site to make these trades. Yeah. Then those ones who like using the bots, we have free bots here. They are very amazing bots. Very, very, very amazing. This is Odd Even Bingo bot by Derif President, and also we have bots here. There are many. We have Under 8 Pro bot is my favorite bot I use. You can trade using Under 8 Pro bot. You can trade even market. You can trade odd market. You can trade over and under market. You can trade Manchester Diva market using Under 8 Pro bot. And it has the important of this bot. It has where you can put the entry point, and also where you can put the number of runs. Yeah. So for example, here this is a stake. You put the stake, everything. You set stop loss. You can put the amount you want. Then we have the entry point where there is a prediction there. That's where you can put the entry point, right? Yeah. You can shift to, maybe you are trading under. You can shift even to odd market or Manchester Diva market. The important of this bot, it has the entry point. Here it has the entry point, and also as you can see, you can put the entry point and then the number of runs. If you put the number of runs, it will start trading immediately. So let me stop because I've not analyzed the market. That's the advantage of using Under 8 Pro bot. So once you know how to set, it is found at DerixTraders.site. It's a very amazing bot. Yeah. I want to go back. There's something I want to show you. I want to go back. I'll show you something else. As you can see, we have also option where you can change to Kenyan shillings and then to US dollar. As you can see, this is 5,000 Kenyan shillings, and this is 41.42 USD. So that's where you can change the currency, USD or Kenyan shillings. Yeah. Yeah. Remember this trade. Let me log in up again. These trades I've made around 2,500, and today is a weekend, and you can see weekend I normally don't trade, but I have made good amount of money. Yeah. So the challenge, join me the challenge of making 20,000 USD per day, and it is very boostable as long as you have your capital. Capital is a very important thing. So this is a block. You make sure that if you are trading over and under, you make sure that it's 5. Then you can do your analysis there. Yeah. Okay. This way you can maybe your daily target. You can put, maybe if you want to increase your capital by 10%, you can put the capital you have there and then your daily target until the end of the month. Yeah. This was that was a real account. Let us confirm at I used Binary M-Pesa service to make my withdrawals and deposits sometimes. Yeah, as you can see, the amount is the one which has reflected here in my withdraw app. Yeah. So what else? It's Derif President. Make sure that you use a Derix Traders to set, and it's very amazing. You can change currency to Kenya shillings or to USD. Yeah, you see how much I've made